Alright, there's this noise going off up here. I'm gonna see if I can capture it. I don't know what it sounds like. I'm gonna set the phone down and see if I can capture it.
Let me see if I can pull it right. Listen.
Stop. It's very distant, but it's not rapid. It's like 3 of the noises and then it stops. See, there it goes again. It's very distant. I don't even know if the phone can pick it up. And there's nothing around here except for the FEMA place up there.
What FEMA place?
The FEMA place up on the left. And Camp David, but Camp David is near Thurmont. And these sound like they're like really close. I'm gonna see if we can't get closer. Come on. Let's see if we can get closer. I want to see if I can't get closer to get a better sound of it. Right, we're gonna walk up this way, see if we hear it again. I want to see if I can get it on tape.
I got the star.
Right, we're gonna pause until we get up towards it. If I hear it again, I'll hit record. See, it's coming from over there. The noise or whatever it is, past those trees. Hold on a second. Alright, sorry about that. Had to adjust I had to clean the camera off. Past those trees and those houses over there, that's where this noise is coming from. And where we were a minute ago, we were over here. The playground right there. And I could barely hear it. See if I can get a better picture, a better video of the playground. The playground's right there. Right there. And the noise is coming from over here. Now, to the right, that's my son. To the right, Mount St. Mary's University is up here, but I mean, nothing would be going on up there that would, like, these noises would be coming out of. I'll pause again when it starts up again, because it keeps on going. I mean, it'll pause for a few minutes and then it'll come back. So I'll be back on if I can catch it.